Genes whose products function as the equivalent of cellular brakes also exist. As a group, these genes are known as tumor suppressors. Humans have 2 copies of each gene, one inherited from each parent. If a single copy of a tumor suppressor is damaged, the other copy is usually able to stop the cell from behaving abnormally. This would be like losing either the front or rear brakes of a car. The car may be damaged, but would still be able to stop. But if the second set of brakes is damaged as well, the car would not be able to stop, just as the cell would not be able to stop dividing if both copies of the tumor suppressor genes are damaged.